Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an app marketing website over on Canva. So you can create a free website and get it hosted for free on Canva. All you have to do is search up website app and it'll give you some website templates for apps. You can scroll through and see what ones you like. You can see that there are different templates that will suit different types of apps. So like there's a few that would suit a shopping app and there's a few that would suit more businessy apps. Yeah, you can just find one that you think would suit your app and be a good marketing tool with minimal changes for your app. I've chosen this one, so I'm going to go ahead and customize it. You've got that mobile phone screen there, and I've just got my upload here of a screenshot of my app. Well, it's actually just the home screen, but you can imagine it would be an app. And I'm going to go ahead and update the text within this. When you highlight the text that you've added, you can add a link. So you could see that link button just appeared there. And so that would allow you to link to the App Store or to the Android store if you wanted to. You can also update any images and colors so that aligns with your brand. And you can just update any text to represent any features or sell why someone might want to download your app. So the reason you might want an app marketing website is just to look a little bit more professional. You might need somewhere to put your privacy policy and stuff like that. So you can create this free website and have it hosted by Canva, and you don't really need to do too much to it. It also gives your users somewhere to contact you, and yeah, it just makes you look like a more professional app provider and like a legitimate business. So yeah, those are that's the App Store and the Google Play Store, and you can update those. I'm also going to show you a little bit on how to edit and add elements. So I don't actually like those little shiny orbs. So I'm going to choose something else. I've just typed in blob, but you can type in like stripes or whatever you want. I'm going to resize that. I'm going to show you how to add it behind. So you go to position and you can just adjust it forward or backwards using that arrange tab. I also deleted those blobs because I didn't like them. And I'm going to add something else just to make it look a little bit better as well. There's quite a wide range of things to select from. Some are premium, the ones with the little crown. You can drag them out, see how they look. I didn't like that one, but I did quite like this one. I thought it would be quite subtle in my design, but just add a bit more interest. So I put it behind the mobile phone. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another one. And I am going to rotate that so that it looks like it's sort of continuing onwards. And I'll put that to the back. And you can see it's quite subtle. Cool. So I'm happy with how that looks now. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can go to Publish Website. It's going to give you a couple of options for how you publish it. So it's going to give you the option for free domain, to purchase a domain, or to use an existing domain. I have chosen free domain because I want a free one. And I've already specified my root URL, which is ochelsi.mycanvas.site. So I'm just specifying what route I actually want to access my website from. I'm also giving it a name, so when you visit it in the browser, that's what will display. And you can adjust the icon which displays alongside that as well if you want. So I click publish, and now my website's going to be published, and I'll be able to access it through Chrome or any other browser. Gives you the option to view that website. So I've opened it up and you can see it animates and looks quite good. It's got links at the top that link to different sections. I can scroll on down to see how things look. If you're wanting to preview your app while you're actually inside Canva, you can go back to Canva and click this preview option. It's going to open it as if you had published it, and you can also choose to view it in mobile form if you want. And so that's going to show you how it would look on different devices. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today. If you have, please like and subscribe for more content. I'll share more business tips and mobile development tips on here.